Start. The jurisdiction to grant bail has to be exercised on the basis of well-settled principles having regard to the circumstances of each case and not in an arbitrary manner. While granting the bail, the courts has to keep in mind the nature of accusation, the nature of evidence in support thereof, the severity of the punishment which conviction will entail, the character, behavior, means, and standing of the accused, circumstances which are peculiar to the accused, reasonable possibility of securing the presence of the accused at the trial, reasonable apprehension of the witnesses being tampered with, the larger interests of the public or state, and similar other considerations. It has also to be kept in mind that for the purposes of granting the bail, the legislature has used the words reasonable grounds for believing instead of the evidence, which means the court dealing with the grant of bail can only satisfy it as to whether there is a genuine case against the accused and that the prosecution will be able to produce prima facie evidence in support of the charge. It is not expected at this stage to have the evidence establishing the guilt of the accused beyond reasonable doubt. Keeping into mind the valuable right of personal liberty and the fundamental principle not to disbelieve a person to be innocent unless held guilty, and if he is not arraigned with the charge of an offense for which the law has put on him a reverse burden of proving his innocence, as held in the judgment of Honorable the Supreme Court in Data Ram Singh versus State of UP and others, reported in 2018 3 SCC 22. I find force in the submission of learned counsel for the accused applicant to enlarge him on bail. Considering the facts and circumstances of the case, perusing the record, and also considering the nature of allegations, arguments advanced by learned counsel for the parties, and without commenting anything on merit of the case, I find it to be a fit case for granting bail. Let applicant Virendra Singh be released on bail in case crime number 397 of 2020 under section 306 IPC, registered at Police Station Behta Gokul, District Hardoi, on his furnishing a personal bond worth rupees 50,000 and two surety bonds by two different sureties whose social status and economic capacity as to the surety will be subject to the satisfaction and verification of the court concerned, subject to following additional conditions which are being imposed in the interest of justice. The applicant shall file an undertaking to the effect that he shall not seek any adjournment on the dates fixed for evidence. Over.